Hello everyone, thank you for coming to visit my channel. For all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all the old ones. Okay, today we're going to do a little cut and trace. That's probably going to be part one of this video. How we went from this to this and then to this. So let me move this out the way. Go here to the trace panel. Turn the threshold up. Like so. Hit trace. We're going to move that over out the way. We're going to release compound pound. And delete. And delete. Now we're going to take these little parts right here. I'm going to fill that with color. I'm going to go into the color panel. Together. And type in whatever little quote you wanted to say. centered. Just like that. That's part one of this video. Next part, we're gonna show you how to take it all apart into pieces, and then we'll cut in vinyl and maybe make some stickers with it and press it on a t-shirt. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, hit the like button, share, and comment. Have a blessed day. Bye.